Yo, what is up, guys? We're going to be checking out this factory that I made. First, you see here, yummy, delicious chocolate is going to come out deliciously. First, we insert the cocoa beans. I clicked on it. Now what? What? Where is it? Oh, there! It's cooking! It's cooking. Is it almost here? Is it seriously not done? In there! It's cooking! Let's wait for it. I even made another one. So there it is, almost going up. It's almost there. I know. Let's see. Yes, it's almost done. Come on, yay! I made the chocolate bar. So, yum, 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 yum. Ooh, what's this strange button do? It's like some kind of encrypted message. Also, I have to say, nothing. So let's just click this button. Wait. Lever. Why isn't this lever working? Did we just break this thing? Okay, I clicked it. Now what happens? Wait, what's happening to my game? My game? Ah! Oh my goodness! Wait, did that seriously didn't do anything? Huh. What if I place this lever? Huh, dumb heads. Oh wait, what's this on the ground? What's this on the ground? Oh, ooh, cool toy! Is nothing happening? This is just a cool toy. Did I seriously? Wait a second. I can still build up here. Yay. Okay. Let's go out of here, and someone was trying to blow me up. Did I seriously didn't die there? What if I grab something from my inventory, like a lever, then place the button on this weird blocky thing? What's this thing? Are you kidding me? What if I... Oh, hello friend! Oh, he's angry. High five! Wait, what's happening? Hi friend! Wait, is anything happening? Did I crash my game? Or anything did it just happen? Ah! So that was unexpected. I got blown up by literal. And I got blown up by a. What's that thing there? So I have to show you another thing that I built off camera. I built this by myself. It's a gigantic, you know, it's a gigantic, well, how should I say this? Gigantic, um, um, gigantic vending machine. So I could pick anything I like, and I have to throw in the correct coins. If I don't throw in the correct coins, so let me show you it. The mechanism for the flashing lights was made by Mumbo Jumbo, but I made it myself. See? So over here, you have to get the. Let's see which aren't the correct ones. First I have to pick a some steak, some chicken, some mutton, some cod, some cookies, and some chocolate, some pork chop, some salmon, and some rabbit. So what should I get? I think I'll have a cookie. There, clicked on the cookie icon. So let's see. Let's grab. So first, let's see if I can cheat on this machine. Add some copper ingots as my coin. Let's see. It gets rejected. And no food either. It got rejected. So let's see if we can use it with the gold nugget or the copper ingot serves us like a penny, and this golden nugget serves us a. I have no idea. So let's wait for it to. You hear that? Look, rejected. And there's no either a single food item in there. So next we have to pay with an iron nugget, which represents a quarter. We throw in a quarter in. Let's wait. It doesn't get rejected. See? And you get your order. See? Let me show you a mechanism. It's just easy. It's just my yep. All these are connecting to the dropper down there. So let me show you. Where was that? See that dropper? It's a dropper. So that's connecting to the droppers on those hoppers. And the only way to activate the dropper is placing in a iron nugget. The way that it rejects it with these copper ingots and golden nuggets is by these sorting systems. This is like an item sorter, so I used Cruise Productions item sorter. So it's just like this. I know it's a mess. So I connect those up there. You can see those. And And when you place in your money, it gets sucked up by this dropper. It goes through here. And if a item does not match anything, for example, you place a random item just like a you know, a stone button in it. See? It won't get rejected, but it will go into this barrel, which you will void the machine, and you won't be able to get your item back that you so it's just a simple mechanism. This actually looks sus. I think I know what this remind me of. Sus. So over here is the item sorter for the iron nuggets over here. Then underneath here, when they get deposited, it goes in the barrel and activates this one time. Then it goes through here, activating the dropper there that drops your food item. But first, you should choose an option or choose an option that you really like and throw in your payment, or you will actually lose your payment if you actually didn't get to choose an option first. You have to choose an option first. And for this mechanism of the beating lights, we just get here with a hopper clock, a 1x2 hopper clock, and a randomizer. The swords are also called unstackable items, and the button, the grass block, and the slab is stackable items. Look at how much signal strength that does. So the sword does 2 signal strength, while the non-stackable items leave it on 1 signal strength, but the unstackable just goes forward. So that turns off this torch. See? If you want me not to actually leave, if I want to leave this on without blinking, I could just turn off the hopper clock with a lever, and tada, you it works on every kind of food item. So you can build this on your you know, on your servers or anything. This one's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 wide. 4 wide is for the 4 wide. I think the length is 4, and the width is 3, and the height is 3. And I don't know about the height of this, so it's 4, 8, 12, 16. I think 16. So it's 16 high for the diamond blocks and 5 high for the copper blocks. And if you want to know how about the width of the width for the machine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16. So it's the 16. Wait. 16 by 16. 4, 8, 12, 16. 16 by 16. The width for the side of the diamond is 16, and for this long is for 16. So let's try to order again. Let's try it with the others still. So we try it again. So which one do you want? Each one needs a quarter. So each one costs a quarter. So, example, I like a chocolate bar or a piece of steak. So I clicked in the top left corner. Then I could chuck in these kinds of my money. Then let's see if it gets then it gets rejected. Same does go for this one. And the automatic you know, the one that automatically when the food goes down there, it when the the rejected coins go down here, they get, then this comparator tracks if there's items in the dropper, then goes around here activating the dropper to shoot out the items. So I hope that's so much explanation for you. And this one's just black concrete, just to show the it's just for looks. Then if you throw in a iron nugget, you will get your food item. I grab my gold nugget. See, look, my gold nugget. Not using even a quarter, it just gets rejected. You wanna see it? It takes long to get rejected. So here it is. Your gold nugget. Now you get your steak or your beef. People from other versions call it a steak or a beef. You can call it anything you want. So those are actually the best ones. Remember, it's just a simple mechanism. Not too much redstone. There's only little few bits of redstone, but more of I put a block of here because it passes through like from a repeater, it passes through redstone. So that would do it. So we're done with the explanation. This one window is for only design. All around that is sea lanterns. This is waxed copper. Do you not know that it was waxed? You know what it was waxed with? It was honeycomb. You have to learn about Minecraft. So that's it. And if you want to check my other videos, just go look in my channel. If you want to check for some more, I could just go a little bit here. Yum, 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 yum. Cooked beef, delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. It works on every single button. So remember, if you're building this, make sure you tell your make sure if you can place a sign on the vending machine that you have to choose an option first before you pay. So this is my video with my vending machine with coin rejection. This is my vending machine with coin rejection. Gold nugget? Not correct. Copper ingot? No, not correct. Place a random item? No, you don't get even a single, you don't even get to actually get your food. So the only thing you have to do is to pay the correct amount, which is one single iron nugget. So bye.